Are you looking for a trading platform that combines high leverage, top-tier security, and an extensive range of CFDs to suit all trading levels? Today, we're diving deep into Mirrox, a CFD broker that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Welcome back, viewers. I'm your host, Ivy. For the next few minutes, we'll cover all the aspects of Mirrox that make it a trustworthy and reputable broker. The first one is security. Operated by Capital Crest Ltd., Mirrox is based in the Comoros Union and fully regulated by the Mawali International Services Authority, MISA, under license number BFX 2024064. This regulation ensures that Mirrox upholds high standards of financial transparency and operational security, making it a safe space for traders. One thing we love about Mirrox is its client fund protection. Mirrox separates client funds from operational accounts, meaning your money is safe even in times of company instability. Next one is trading instruments and high leverage. Mirrox offers over 160 CFDs covering major asset classes like forex, commodities, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, and metals. This extensive range means you can diversify your portfolio all in one place. With leverage up to 1/400 for forex, Mirrox allows you to maximize your market exposure while using less capital. This is ideal for experienced traders looking to make the most of their investments, but it's crucial to remember that higher leverage also increases risk. Let's talk about account types now. Mirrox offers 5 account types: Classic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and VIP, each tailored to different trading needs and experience levels. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, there's an option for you. All accounts support multi-currency options, including EUR, USD, JPY, INR, and KRW, which is perfect for global users. And with spreads that decrease as you upgrade, you're getting a cost-effective experience as you progress. Let's move to the heart of Mirrox, its web trader platform. This advanced browser-based trading platform requires no downloads, making it accessible on any device with an internet connection. It's loaded with over 60 analytical tools, technical indicators, and real-time updates, giving you everything you need for informed trading. The web trader is also designed for customization, allowing you to tailor the experience to fit your style. And if you're new or want to test strategies risk-free, Mirrox offers a demo account, so you can practice without risking real capital. Let's talk about getting your money in and out of your Mirrox account. Mirrox offers flexible deposit and withdrawal methods, allowing you to fund your account or withdraw earnings easily. You can use credit and debit cards, wire transfers, or alternative payment methods, making it convenient no matter where you're located. One standout feature is that there are no deposit fees. That means you can add funds without losing any to extra charges. For withdrawals, however, fees depend on the method. So what's the final word on Mirrox? With high leverage options, extensive asset diversity, strong regulatory security, and a customizable trading platform, Mirrox is a solid choice for traders seeking a dependable CFD broker. Its advanced tools and features make it appealing for traders at every level, while the support and protection build trust in the experience. But remember, no platform is perfect. Have you tried Mirrox? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on trading platforms. We also have an in-depth review article discussing Mirrox in much more detail. You can visit it at the link below. And if you want to learn more about trading, check out our other videos and head to BrokerCheck Academy at the link below for free resources.